Hey, what's up, you guys? It's VM Detail back in another video. I got this new GoPro 11 Black Mini. I just got it like a few days ago. I'm still learning how to adjust it, record well. But we're actually headed to Tyler, Texas with my boy Polo. He's about to come scoop me up here in a bit, and we're about to go to a detail store, see what we got, and we're gonna pick up some ceramics, this and that. But I'll catch you when he comes home. Woo, boy Polo. What's up, man?
What to do?
How you like my GoPro?
Nice.
Hey.
A new one?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Wasn't bad. I'm gonna hop in real quick. Yeah. What's up, bro? I've been good, bro. What about you?
Good.
Yeah. Well, guys, rain hit us. What's up, you guys? We made it here to the detail world. I'll show you guys here in a minute inside, but we're about to check out their detail rig here in Tyler, Texas, guys. If you're ever in Tyler, Texas, want to decide to come get some detail products, y'all know who to hit up. I think it's nice. The little small tires, bro. What's up, Polo? You gonna spin a bag? About to spin the bag? Oh man, we're about to see what we'll walk out with, guys. They're gonna be like, no recording policy. Got you, appreciate it. Ooh, everything looks good in here, guys.
And so the idea over here is that
It's nice.
again, leave a little wax behind, and then you can just
I'll show y'all guys here a montage. Hey guys, I'm here at the detailing world here in Tyler. If you ever come down here in Tyler and you're looking to get some good supplies, ceramic coatings, brushes, anything, y'all come down. They have everything here. They have tire shines, iron decon, polishers, everything. But yeah, we're stocked up here, just cashed out, and yeah, do you got anything to say?
come see us. Come see us. We'll get you set up.
Oh yeah, but yeah, guys, just come down and she'll treat you right, and we'll catch you next time. All right, guys, this is me. We spent the bag, but it's all right. Polo spent like $1,000. He got like 3G on ceramic coatings, but this is what I bought. I bought microfiber driver towels, 2 of them. I bought Gummy Fix from Coach Kimmy. I bought a new brush, and then I bought new tire shine. We're gonna try it out. Stay tuned for that video. But we might have to hit the road. Polo wants to buy the whole store. Oh man, can't go with this guy. But look, I don't know if I can see, but it's about to be a whole tornado or something, guys. But yeah, if you're ever here in town, it's beside Regents Bank in front of Whataburger, beside Planet Fitness. But yeah, guys, then you'll see the little truck. You won't get confused. But then we might have to go right now, guys. Walked out with nothing and walked out with the bag. Right, Polo?
I walked out with the whole store.
I know. We gotta make a run for it, bro. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh man. No. Okay. No. See how it get. Put them on the floor. Let's go. Woo. Getting rained on. Alright guys, well, we're about to go probably get some pizza. I'll record when we get there, you know, have a little brunch. How they say it, not lunch, it's brunch.
Brunch?
We're gonna brunch at 12:36. It's not bad, but
Oh, that's bad. That's one.
oh, it's never mind, it's 1. Alright guys, we'll catch you here in a minute. Peace. What's up, you guys? We're here at this pizza place. Got a few slices of pizza, some Sprite, and my boy Polo going slow, but he's gonna go fast here in a bit with some sweet tea, of course. And yeah, guys, this is the pizza place. It's really good. Supposedly it's my first time. I'm gonna try it out. And Polo said there's some really good pizza dessert. I'm gonna show you guys here when I'm done. I'm gonna get dessert, but we'll see you guys here in a minute. What's up, guys? We finished the food. Now we're on to the dessert. Never seen a pizza dessert. My boy Polo said it's good. We're finna try it out. But yeah, I guess we're about to try it out. I'm gonna leave the camera. Right there. I don't get to see me. I'm gonna try it out. Tastes good. What the heck? Better than a cookie.
Yeah, this tastes pretty good.
Cinnamon roll is so cold already. Really cold. Oh my gosh. But recommend it. What's the place called?
Cane's Pizza.
Cane's Pizza in Tyler, Texas. You ever come down? Recommend it. But this is the last clip, guys. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.